Hi, I'm Susan, and today I am participating in the Margarete Miller Challenge Week 9, and I'm using my old planner, and I have so enjoyed doing this. And this week we are to do something that's inspired by a fairy tale. And I've got this page here. We're supposed to do something that represents an event. I've got this bouquet for a wedding, an architectural element. I've got this house. Everything's so large, I'm just not sure how I'm going to be able to do this. But I love that they've got that statue of the frog. And that itself could be a fairy tale. And I need a dictionary page, and I've got this one, and I've got where it's fairy, where it says fairy down there, and postage. No, that's a key. I've got this little key from an old necklace, and postage stamps. And this week I may do a double spread simply because everything I've got is so large. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I have fussy cut out some of my things, and some of them I just cut, trimmed down. I trimmed down this to make it a little bit smaller. I may still cut off, let me tear off a little bit of that. I didn't realize how that's where I had torn it out. But I think we can make that just a little bit smaller. Alright. And I fussy cut my fairies, and this one was like this, and so I took it apart. So now to figure out where I'm going to put everything. I do like something along those lines. I think that's pretty. And I've got to figure out where I want my definition for fairy. Thinking maybe that looks, I like that. I definitely want somewhere to put my prompt. See, I've got the event, fairy tale, architectural element, got my key here, and postal stamps. Now, is there something else I want to add? Let me get my fussy cut flowers, because I think I'd like something along there. Find something tall and long. I think I want something color. I like that. I'll think about that one later. Let me start laying down some stuff. Let me go ahead and get this. So far, so good. Where to put these? Do like that. I think I like that better. I like that. Wished it was a little bigger. Can't forget my key. Let's see. I think I'll make it there, and it'll be on the outside. Now let's see what else we can do to decorate. I love this, but I just don't think it's quite bright enough. Let's see what I got. All right, I think I'm going to do a little bit of gold around the page. Let me see here. Let that dry. All right, I believe it is dry. And now I want to add a little bit of bling, because fairies should have bling. I've had these stickers for a while from Dollar Tree. See if I can get them off without. And if I was putting this on ephemera and stuff, I would glue this, but I'm not too worried about it here. Like this. And now I'm just going to add a few butterflies. Pretty blue and pearl. I need is my number. I think, let's see, I think I'm going to try this broken china. I think I'll put it right there. You can barely see it. There's our 9. Okay, I think I can call this one done. We've got our inspired by fairy tale, so we've got fairies, something that represents an event. We've got a bouquet from a wedding, an architectural element, we've got a home, dictionary page, we've got fairy, and really this is from a thesaurus. I hope that's fine. But it says fae, sprite, pixie, elf, brownie, gnome, leprechaun, sea mystical deities. And we've got a key, and the bonus is the postage stamps. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.